No? So,
Card.
ang delayed gratification mo na wala jud kayo na practice, which is mo should be agad ang key, no, sa especially mga businessman.
Correct. People need to be intentional in everything that they do, especially sa finances. So,
Yes.
kani ako ba ning gahinon, will it grow? Mas kana every time you spend money, ma-invest ni sa akong self,
Yes.
no? Nga mo grow ko as a person. Ang ubad, mo invest ko pahit kog iPhone nga mahal kay tanan. Pwede rin siguro palit ka na you go vlogging.
Bita.
No, gamit nimo ang camera and now for social media marketing. Make use of all your resources na mo earn kag money.
Yes.
That's good way to invest sad, no?
Welcome to another episode of Sarah Talk Podcast. We are here in Fika Brew Coffee House here in
Yes.
Lapu-Lapu, Babag. Right, so this topic today is an exciting one. So we'll be tackling about how rich people manage their money.
Yeah.
So, the storya andere. So, yun sa nilang pag-build or preserve ilang wealth, no, how they, sa ilang relationship with the money.
Yes.
So, we have here questions already. Ato i-ask si Coach Sean what are his insights and also sharing mine.
Yes.
Unsa ni siya about. Right?
Yep.
So, our first question that we have is, what's the most basic thing wealthy people do with their money that most others don't?
So, okay. That's simple na pag-explain na it's they pay themselves first. Unahon gyud nila ilang kaugalingon, no? In terms of money behavior, namtay gitawag og save first and then you spend and then you spend with the needs and then sa wants, no?
Yeah.
So muna ila pay themselves first. Unahon gyud. That's how muna siya basic fundamentals of having a good business or build sa imong pag-build sa imong wealth. Okay, so kana ang sauban pay your debts or unahon pa niya mga bayranan or mga responsibilities before iyang i-pay yourself.
So like ang ilang mentality is, unahon silang kagalingon.
Yeah.
Right?
Correct.
So one example or good example of it is kanang sa airplane, no?
Correct.
I don't know katong
Yeah.
mga magsakayan gyud sa biyahe sa aeroplano.
Yes.
So kabantay mo sa flight attendant, mo announce mo na before silang take off na about sa oxygen mask, emergency announcement nga if ang oxygen mask,
Yes.
i-put mo first sa mga kagalingon before you help others. So same nga na lang mentality, so you prioritize yourself first.
Exactly.
No?
Pay yourself first.
Yeah, but how do wealthy people see money differently from the average Filipinos?
Okay. So money for the rich, it's a tool.
Cool.
Money for the poor is a goal.
Goal.
Ganahan ko mga kwarta ko, inani, pero ang mga dato, kini ako ni gamiton para sa na. Kini intended ni for the business. So broad ang ilang thinking about money. No, for them money is easy.
Yes.
Okay? Kaya ilang thinking is this is only a tool for me to reach my goals.
Okay.
Sa mga tao, ang mga normal na mga tao, no, or kanang poor, saan man ako pagpuwag kwarta? No, akong goal is makakwarta ko. Okay, so in fact, it shouldn't be like that. It should be a tool.
Okay. So but what are the key investment habit the rich have that most people miss out on?
Ang key, ano sa to?
Key investment habit.
Ang ilang habit in terms sa investment,
Yes.
it's persistency. No? Persistency and consistency. Nga, kung ma-invest gali sila, dili sila mahadlo kung ang market mo down, no? If the trend of the stock market goes down, like if it is in a bearish trend, di sila makulbaan. Kay naman sila long-term na goal na ilang i-achieve, no? So it's same na sa story ni Ma'am Gangging, one of our mentors here, sa amo ang insurance company. Ingon niya nga, kung moadto kag Danao, sure jud ka nga tanang traffic light green.
Yes.
Dili man gyud, di ba? So inana gyapon ang sa stock market or even business, musaka, moubos. But unsa may lang gibuhat, if moubos, they find a way to bounce back. They find strategies unsay kailangan buhaton para mo grow ilang business. Yes.
So kana no, not all the time nga positive kita na.
Yes, of course.
You're down but
Ang habit ana nila for consistently investing.
yes.
Kay for them kung for example sa ilang investment sa stocks, no? What if ang market down? Malipay sila. Kay for them, sale man na.
Barato.
Daghang barato.
Yes.
So mo na ang mentality sa uban nga walay about money management, inana understanding about investments, makulbaan na sila la mauro na ang kwarta.
Withdraw na dayon.
Oh. Base ng uban walay backup sa bank
yes.
na to sustain their daily living. Pero mo na if it's down, lipay gid sila kay
Yes.
makapalit sila daghan nga barato.
So that's why importante gitong naasad kay money allocation gid mo.
Yes.
Ano kay for intended for investment lang, hindi ma-appeal na nimong operating, nga na siya really important sa.
Yeah.
So by the way, FYI lang unsa to mong gi-mention ni coach, bullish and katong
Bearish trend.
So
Yeah.
kung bullish gani so pasaka.
Pasaka ang trend
Paana
sa
man siya,
stocks.
di ba? Paana
Yes.
man ang bull and then
Correct.
bear is pa down, right? So but why isn't hard work alone enough to build real wealth? Ano di laman enough ang hard work
Hard
lang.
work, no? Kung imong una-unahon ba, tanan hard worker man,
Yes.
pero nganong wa man jud sila nga dato.
Bitaw.
Okay? For example, kargador sa carbon, mga adlaw ba na
Hard work ana.
oh, sobra pa sa hard work.
Sobra
no?
pa.
Kanang mga mangunguma,
Mm.
no? Pero nganong gyapon sila ni senso.
Yes.
Kaya I'm not degrading sa trabaho nila, ha? Pero mong sabton ba? Number one is, are you in the right industry?
Bitaw.
Di ba? Kung sa kakakugihan,
Mm.
yeah, wala ra di ay mong balik sa imuha. Okay? So, ang nasa mga dato or wealthy people, kani nga tawag og leveraging.
Leverage.
Leverage. There are three types of leverage para nila. Number one is, mo na gitawag, done some research about it, money leverage. Okay? So, money leverage meaning, they use their money to grow money.
Yes.
Okay? Kaya naman tayo gitawag og tulo ka money trade. First is sa mga empleyado, I trade my time so that I can earn money. Okay? Second, sa mga negosyante, I trade my money to buy time. Okay, para kasi 24 hours sa baya. And then third is, gigamit niya ang kwarta niya para makagain ang kwarta mo ng mga investor. Mo na, anak kita pa doon, hopefully, mabot na nga point. Okay?
Yes.
So, number one is money leverage. Okay? Number two is business leverage. So, building a system sa iyang negosyo. No? Kanang mga negosyante, mga kuhan karong grabe ka na sila sistema sa business. That's why they're earning more. No, sa SM, Ayala, Tesla, kanang Amazon, Apple,
Yes.
ang negosyo na nila smooth kayong system. Mo nang grabe sa nilang income.
Yeah.
Okay? Mo na sa mga negosyante, systematic.
Yes.
And last type of leverage is mo na gitawag og people leverage.
People.
So, if negosyante ko, di man pwede ako ikahira, no? Dili ako pwede magkargador, dili ako
Yes.
pwede magluto. So, I'll be hiring people, quality people to run my business.
Yes.
So, mo nang mga dato, mas musamot og kadato because of this principle of leveraging.
But though first, if you start a business, ikaw mo dyan na una, but
Yes.
ato ginabadong, no? You
Oh.
hire people para kung ma-maximize gini mo yung time.
Correct.
What if, nakay-meeting, wala yung bantay sila, no?
Wala. Oh.
So, tendency, di ka-attend sa meeting is because nga na, so you need to hire people.
Hire people.
So,
Yep.
Kaya one of the things po, that's why katong mga businessmen, they use money to buy time. It's because for them, time is valuable.
Yes.
No, abigyan nilang kuan sa pag-value sa time.
Correct.
Mao nang uban makita mo mga businessman, kada bitong nagani uban magpa patrol na. Right? Kanang hatod, yan anay HPG nga mag-guide.
Oo.
For them, it's really important meeting naman good. Or even ang uban na ay private jet. Mao na reason is because they value time.
Yes.
Gusto sila nga maadto dayon automatically. It's because biyahe nila 1 hour and 30 minutes pero ang meeting 20 minutes at 15
Balik na
kana
sa-
pinaka-importante na nga meeting. No, it's about business na.
That's how they look at money ba?
Yes.
And time. kay
Mm.
you can gain a lot of time,
Yes.
pero you cannot gain a lot of you can still gain more money,
Yes.
no? Pero ang time 24 hours ra gyud.
Dili.
Ya minus 8 hours pa matug,
Huwag pa ka.
di ba?
Oo.
So kailangan kana i-leverage ang time.
Yes. And then one of the things, coach, since you mentioned, man, coach, katong hard work is not enough.
Oo.
Just like you said, we're not degrading any
Mga
occupation.
profession,
yan,
yes.
But
Exactly.
the second example is kanang mga construction worker.
Mm.
Diba? Pugihan jud kay
Pugihan,
nila.
grabe.
So
Singot
ikaw,
pa tayo.
if you know asa jud imong value gid pa do. Construction worker ka first. And then dapat mo set up na ka.
Yes.
May mo na kang foreman.
Foreman.
Yan,
Oh,
ano?
yes.
Ay, ikaw na handle sa tao.
Yep.
Nga na siya kay
Antod maabot ng time, contractor na siya.
Oh, ingan na. So, at
agency na.
naay ka ng sana
Pag-grow.
progress ba, no?
Oh, na-progress. Right.
So, but other values the rich live by that Filipinos can apply in everyday life.
Pinaka-importante gani, that's what you call delayed gratification. Because most of the Filipinos, basin sa siguro sa atong history we were colonized by Spaniards, no, na instant gratification. Ganahan kana kuha dayon.
Yes.
No? At sa mga dato ay okay ra ko ani una na ako paliton because instead of buying this stuff which in fact nga dili mo grow akong kwarta, akong ibutang na sila disiplina,
Bitaw, no?
no? Discipline and patience para makabot tong unsay ilang ganahan. One good story is we went to a Chinese businessman in Mandaue. Wagid, puro gid karaan yung mga stuff, but it's still working. And then I asked him, nanong di bang kakapalit ani sir nga daghan ubay-ubay naman imong kwarta, tubig-tubigyan naman ka. Dong, kung magamit pagay nako, ako ganang di nako ako i-maximize, di nako kailangan mo palit. Or kung pwede pa maayo, ako ipaayo.
Ayo.
Yes, inanay lang mentality pero kung sa normal ng mga tao, ay palit ako bago. Diba? Na sofa, pwede pa maayo unta. Ay magpalit na ko bago kay para nindot for other people kung visit diri. It's for you. Pay yourself first.
Yes.
Yeah.
But which in our case, in our generation, medyo challenging siya, no? We're not saying that
Exactly.
it's kuan, but it's through discipline and consistency. It's because especially sa ato ang kuan karon environment or sa technology,
Yeah.
diba, ang delayed gratification mo na kuan na gid na disregard na is because let's say mapalit ka og kanang nakapaton nga gusto nga shoes, no? Para sa online, tapra na yun, especially na credit card, katulad
That's
mga
so.
credit card.
Credit
Ano,
card.
Ang delayed gratification mo na, wala jud kayo nung na-practice which is mo sad ba agud ang key, no? Sa especially mga businessman.
Correct. People need to be intentional in everything that they do, especially sa finances. So,
Yes.
kani ako baninggahin nun, will it grow? Mas, kana every time you spend money, ma-invest ni sa akong self.
Yes.
No? Nga mo grow ko as a person. Ang ubad, mo invest ko, pahit kong iPhone, nga mahal kay tanan. Pwede rin siguro, palit ka na, you go vlogging.
Bitaw.
No? Magamit nimo ang camera and now for social media marketing. Make use of all your resources na mo earn kag money.
Yes.
That's good way to invest sad, no? But if di pa gid kaya, but you can go with a lower version, let's say you wanted to have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 1 terabyte. Nga di ba mo kaya sa mong finances kung imong kwentahon ni nani, you go with the same quality. You can go with the 16E or even 12 Pro Max, same ra siya camera. So
Bitaw.
ana diskarte ra gyapon og patience. O say man good ang mga tao magsige og kuan bitaw nga sa kanang na kung unsay uso ba.
Yeah. Ang
Usunod ang mga trend. But ang ako ang one of the mentors here, ang iyang phone is iPhone XR. But the latest phone is iPhone, that time was iPhone 15 Pro Max. Pero yung phone XR, and he's earning big amount of money in our industry. Pero, okay, why I should buy or spend more na okay pa man akong phone?
Ano pa man yung camera, no?
Yes.
Or one tip lang po if you want, if you want it to look fancy, especially mga BPOs, yung mag-bring coffee. So you can buy a Starbucks na kana bitong cup. No nya, guman na nimo kosa ka palit ana na naman yung coffee. The next day, timplahan lang kog kanimo.
Timpla mo 3 in 1.
Nga, botang nimo dira. So,
diskarte ra gyapon. Oo.
so nga na sila.
Mas maka-save ka og money. Like for example, like in my case, kumato kog office, bayad ko palit magdakog sa sachet nga kanang stick, coffee stick. Ako dito, inom ko coffee instead of me going to like a coffee shop. Pwede man kumato coffee shop kung ako meeting. Pero kung wala, pwede ra kuan gyud kanang atur sa office. No, so diskarte ra gyapon. No, ang imuhang kon sa management mo na mga dato mo sa mo ka dato kay grabe ilang understanding about the money, using it as a tool, using it nga mas mo grow pa ilang kwarta. Na hopefully guys, in your position right now, kung asa ka nga estado sa kinabuhi karon, I know God has a purpose nga i-grow ka. So depende ra gyud nimo kung if you will maximize ang skill na gihatag ni God for you, talents, maximize it because we only have pila lang less than 100 years to live in this world. So maximize it guys na you can enjoy what God gave you by maximize nimo tanan.
Yeah, that's totally right, Jud. So, yeah, I think that's it for
Ito tong topic ron.
our episode. Yeah, nindot.
Sure.
Wala pa gig nakuwang siya, no? But
Oo.
maybe there are other topics na atong i-tackle in the next
Correct.
episodes.
Yes.
So that's it for our
Episode Kobe.
for Kobe nga
Yeah.
episode. And hopefully you've learned something on this topic. And if you have, suggestions or, comment about this video, just comment down below. And
Yeah.
don't forget to share this page and like this page. And that's it. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.